Hello guys, welcome to Technical Heaven, and today I'm going to share an application for Android apps and game developers which is called AIDE. AIDE is the IDE for Android which support both Android NDK and SDK, which means you can develop real Android apps and games using Java, C++, and here you can see that the new version supports Android API level of 27, which means Android 8.1, and support Android NDK development on Android 8.1. So let's go and check what is. As you can see here that the AIDE support building apps with Java, XML, and Android SDK, apps with C++ and Android NDK, as well as pure Java console application. AIDE fully compatible with Eclipse projects, which means you can import your Eclipse project in AIDE and start building application. If you are not having a desktop, then you can still build your Android apps and games using your Android mobile phones using Android AIDE. This is a paid application, and I have already mentioned provided the download link of the crack version for this AIDE from in the video description. You can download it from there and start building your own apps and games. So let's open the app without wasting time. As you can see, they are providing step-by-step tutorial how to start creating your application or Android games if you are new to Android development, or if you are if you know how to build your application, you can directly go to for expert in the code section, or let's go to the tutorial section for Android apps. So this is the basic hello world app. So just run it. Is compiling the application, and it's compiled successfully. This is the hello world app, and let's go back. And as you can see, they are providing step-by-step tutorial to build a complete application, customizing button, list view, event listener, and toast. And they're providing every step-by-step tutorial to explain how to create your first application. They are also providing API demos, displaying bitmap, and here you can start creating your application from scratch. And this is let's go to the Android game development tutorial. So this tutorial gonna teach you how to build your Android app. So just let's run this. It's compiling the application games, and it successfully is compiled. So just install this application. So like this you can create your own games using AIDE. Also, this is the sample code provided by AIDE, and let's go to the code section to create from scratch. Now go here, you can import your existing project here or start creating new project. It support both Android NDK and SDK, means you can develop your Android app using Java and C++. You can also create your Java application also, or PhoneGap projects is also supports. So for this you need another application which is called AIDE for PhoneGap or Cordova. If you need the crack version of this application, you can comment below. I'm gonna provide the crack version of AIDE for PhoneGap also. So let's go here, let's go to the setting. Let me show you how you can include your. Now let's go to build and run, and here you can see the API signing. Here you can create here you can include your custom key store. If you want to sign your application using your own key or key store, you can create your key store file from here, creating key store file. And this native code support means if you want to develop your C++ means NDK, this is for NDK support. If you want to build your Android application using C++, you have to install this extra 200 MB package to start developing using C++, and this is for Maven repositories. So that's all. You can configure your application in the settings section, like your editor and all the stuff. So that's all. If you need any kind of help, please comment below, or if you need any other crack version of any app, so comment below. I'll try to provide the latest crack version of that application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.